Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Hangin' with Misty. I have a fabulous guest with me.
Hi, I'm Brandy.
And today we are going to make a KitKat haunted house.
Ooh, I can't wait.
I am super excited because I actually found out that Brandy here has never had what's called Smarties before. I had no idea. Smarties are only sold in Canada, so this is going to be super fun introducing Brandy into the world of Smarties and Halloween haunted house building. So let's get started. All right.
Oh my gosh, look, it says boo.
Oh my god. It says boo in English and then French. That is
Is that how you say boo in French?
Yes.
Okay, I'm learning a lot of things today.
So everything that's sold in Canada has to have English and French on it, or it's not allowed to be sold.
Oh, that makes so much sense.
Ooh, 4 Kit-Kats.
Yum.
Got another, I think this will probably be the tray, like the base of the house.
Okay, here's the Smarties, the Scaries.
I am so excited for you to try some, like so excited. At Halloween, Smarties are called Scaries in Canada, so the name is a little different. That is why. And we got a whole bunch of little Kit Kats. I think this will probably be for the roof.
And some purple sprinkles.
Ooh, what are those for? I think they're just sprinkles to make it look cooler. So first things first, we're gonna open the big Kit Kats. There's gonna be 4 of them to make all 4 walls.
Yeah, I'm surprised that this is made out of only Kit Kats. I don't think I've ever made a Kit Kat gingerbread house before.
This is a brand new tradition. In Canada, this is a staple. We do this almost every Halloween.
Try not to break my Kit Kat.
Ooh, that would not be good. I guess you could use the icing to kind of get her back together.
You're gonna need icing for that.
I am. I'm trying to place it first to make sure that I've got this in the right. I think you have the right idea. I had my tray upside down.
No. Oh.
I had my tray upside down. No, you are totally. I can't believe you are better at building this than I am, and I've built this every Halloween. This is embarrassing.
Oh my god, you're a disgrace.
Maybe Brandy's the real Canadian here.
Hey.
Oh, she's good. She is good. That was so smooth. Okay. I honestly thought I'd be better at this after all these years. That is so sweet tasting. Okay, I'm gonna copy what you're doing and bring the icing to the chocolate.
I'm an expert gingerbread house builder.
You are. I am feeling so defeated.
Every year I like to do a little gingerbread house village. So I'll have like multiple gingerbread houses that I decorate.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what you're doing. You know what's up here. Okay, with how difficult the base was for me, but clearly not Brandy, I'm very scared to see how my roof is gonna go. But we're gonna do this. All right, so now we've got to figure out what and how this, maybe? I think you stack them like this.
That looks good.
Okay, we're getting places. Gonna need lots of icing in between.
Wait. How is it? How's it not touching?
Oh, you're right.
Wait.
Oh, I'm supposed to lean them. This is so embarrassing. I can't believe I did that wrong. Actually, I can believe it, but still. Get some icing on. So I'm so curious, Brandy, what is your favorite Halloween candy?
I really like sour candy. Like the more sour, the better, to be honest. Like warheads, I really like.
Nice.
I like nerds too.
And I'm so excited for you to try these Smarties chocolate. You're gonna love it. You're probably gonna like run to Canada and order some.
If it tastes like any American candies, you know? Like, I'm curious.
Actually, I kind of want to know after you try them.
Yeah.
'Cause now you've got my curiosity here too. gonna put some icing down. Oh, you've already beat me to it. You already put a nice icing down the center.
I think this is gonna be my front.
You know, this side's a little cleaner, so this is gonna be my front. There we go. I'm hoping we are not having competition of prettiness. Maybe of the scariest one. Yeah, you know what? Maybe the scariest one, because I'm not sure I'd win the prettiest competition. Gorgeously scary. All right, I think it's time that I let you try the Smarties.
Ah.
Oh, they're all orange. That's so cool.
Oh, wow, they're very flat. Okay, let's do a taste test. Is this an M&M? Just a big M&M?
Smarties taste a lot like M&Ms, but like a little bit sweeter and a little bit flatter and bigger. What do you think?
No, it's yummy. It kind of has like a milk dud flavor. Have you ever had a milk dud?
I haven't. What are they like?
Oh, so good.
Oh my gosh, I definitely need to try that.
You need it.
It's crazy the difference between Canada and the USA for some of the candies and chocolates.
Yeah, I wouldn't like think that there would be a huge difference between the two.
But apparently there is, and well, these are all yours.
Yay!
Let's decorate our roof.
Yum.
And we'll try not to eat them because they're pretty tasty. I'm gonna put mine on the side of the house with an excessive amount of icing. If this was a haunted house, I would be scared to go in, mostly because I think the roof would collapse on me.
Yeah, I'm honestly kind of scared about that for my own as well.
So I'm so curious, what are you gonna dress up for Halloween this
year? This is the best question to ask me. I love Halloween. So I was thinking maybe I would be an alien.
Oh, that is so cool.
And a vampire.
Like a vampire alien?
No. I like to do like 2 to 3 Halloween costumes a year.
I mean, you could do a vampire alien
That would
at
be
the
cool.
same time.
One time I couldn't decide if I wanted to be a mummy or a cat, so I was a mummified cat.
That's actually so cool. I kind of love the crossovers.
Yeah.
I think that is so cool.
Let's add some sprinkles.
Oh, yes. I love sprinkles. I'm gonna go really extra on this. Maybe the sprinkles can hide my interesting choices of decor. Actually, I think I need way more icing here. On the front, we're gonna go crazy. So in Canada, it gets so cold at Halloween that we tend to choose outfits for warmth. So like you don't want to like be like a cheerleader or something, because like your arms and legs and midriff are gonna be like bare and exposed, and you're gonna be super, super cold, because a lot of times it actually snows before Halloween. I mean, we have a lot of onesies for costumes too, but we like to be like almost fully costume characters, like ones that are like really covered, because it gets so cold. The worst though is when I was younger and there was so much snow, you had to like put a snowsuit on top of your costume so then like nobody can even see it.
Oh yeah, that sucks.
Though I love being like Catwoman, because then I can wear like the full leotard and everything and be warm and kind of cozy and sexy at the same time.
What were you last year?
I think I was Spider-Woman, because the outfit came to my like fully covered, so I was able to be a little warmer, and then I wore like 2 layers underneath. It gets so cold in Canada, especially towards winter time, which winter starts like October for us. So I'm curious, so in Canada, like we always carve pumpkins at Halloween. Is that a big thing down here in Florida as well?
Yeah, we carve pumpkins, but they only last like 3 days because
3
they
days?
rot.
Oh my God. That is,
So you have to do it like on Halloween.
no, okay, so we start our pumpkins like usually October 1st, and literally like still after Halloween, and some people are throwing away their pumpkins like at Christmas time. Like they last
Wow,
forever.
that's crazy. Yeah, I carved some pumpkins with some girlfriends. I can't remember if it was last year or the year before, and I was too gung-ho, and I was like, let's do it like October 1st. And then like the next week I was throwing them out, and they were like disgusting. Like you would lift them up in the bottom, so just like
Oh no! It probably smelled so bad, like rotting.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And like on my cement, like you could have the stain of the pumpkin on it.
Okay, never again. So if you want to build pumpkins October 1st, you just gotta come to Canada.
Yeah, yeah.
Because we always build, I've seen some people build pumpkins like even the end of September. Because it does last in Canada, you just want
You want to look at it, you know? Like,
right?
You don't want to put all that work in.
For it just to melt. I don't know if it's true or not, 'cause I'm gonna ask you. Because it gets so hot here that people don't always want to do pumpkins. I heard some people like doing like watermelon carving. Is that a thing?
I've never heard of watermelon.
Really?
carving. I mean, like I've seen people do it, but not for Halloween.
Oh, crazy.
But something that people do is they paint pumpkins because if you don't take all the insides out, it lasts longer, so they'll paint them.
That's actually so smart. I've actually never painted a pumpkin before.
Yeah.
I would love to paint like a pumpkin pink. Okay, I am getting towards the end of mine. I'm gonna put a ton of sprinkles.
There you go.
Then I need some giant spiders in front. So like, these are our guard spiders and they're just gonna guard the gingerbread house.
We need like a sign, beware of spider.
So here is the finished product. Gonna give a little 360 really gently because if I move this too much, my roof and walls may cave in on me. But I love how yours turned out, Brandy. That is amazing.
Thank you.
Super, super cute. So I'm curious, guys, whose gingerbread haunted house is your favorite? Misty's or Brandy's? Let us know, and thank you guys so much for watching and hanging with Misty and my good friend
Brandy.
and happy Halloween.
Bye.